Hello friends, welcome to this most probable question answer part of January module number 1. There are total 40 questions which we are going to discuss in today's part. Remember, in these questions we are going to discuss current affair as well as certain static GK questions as well. Keep that in mind that there are certain static GK questions may come to you in various law entrance exams. Let me start. Number 1. Question number 1 is, name the state government which launched new official emblem. So the new official emblem of West Bengal is called Bishwa Bangla. Okay, this is what you should remember. ठीक है, ये आपके सामने emblem दिख रहा है. This is the official emblem of the state, and this is possibly the first state in the entire country to get this. And to get approval for emblem, you need to take an approval from the central government. Coming to next issue, Vijay Gokhale has become the foreign secretary. The tenure specified is, उनका tenure कितना है? The tenure is specified for 2 years. That is how it is specified, and he is Indian Foreign Service, है ना? और उन्होंने डोकलाम इश्यू को काफी अच्छे से मैनेज किया था. ओके, याद रखिएगा ये. Moving further, question number 3. Name the country which established first overseas naval base in Djibouti. Djibouti is in Africa. This is entire Africa. This is in the Horn of Africa. बिल्कुल उसके बाजू में सोमालिया है. ठीक है, तो ये पूरा जगह है और ये आपका गल्फ ऑफ आदेन है. ठीक है, ओके, दिस इज गल्फ ऑफ आदेन. जिबौती. जिबौती एक ऐसा देश है जहां पे ज्यादातर अलग अलग देशों की नेवल बेस है. एंड रिसेंटली चाइना पुट देयर नेवल बेस. So answer is China. Remember, so many other countries have naval base in Djibouti. Djibouti doesn't have any other earning potential. Only earning potential is by selling such kind of naval base. Okay. Moving further. Question number 4. Saying that government decided to procure 131 Barrack missile, and which of the following is correct? Okay. So these are the Barrack missile, and this Barrack missile are, you can say, connect, which of the following is incorrect is the idea. So remember, Barrack missile is taken from Israel. Okay, this is really important. They will be purchased from Rafale Advanced Defense System. Obviously not, because Rafale is of France. Okay, so definitely the answer is C. They will be used for submarine anti. Yes. Surface to air missile. Yes. So that means the answer is third, because this is incorrect. Coming to question number 4, the government recently decided to establish new aims in Bilaspur. Okay, this is in Bilaspur. Bilaspur is situated in Himachal Pradesh. So remember that. आप यहाँ फोटोग्राफ से भी देख सकते हैं. नरेंद्र मोदी साहब वहाँ पे इनोग्रेट करने गए थे. उनकी कैप के ऊपर से आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. That's a place called Himachal Pradesh. Moving further, question number 6. Union Cabinet approved agreement between India and which other country on land border crossing. So to have a land border crossing, there is an agreement happening between India and a country called Myanmar. Okay, and this is India-Myanmar Friendship Road. और यहाँ से अगर लोगों को move करना है, so this movement is easily possible through this agreement. Moving towards question number 7, which says, as per the High Court and Supreme Court Judges Amendment Bill 2017, salary of High Court judges will become how much? So that will be 2.5 lakh rupees. Okay, while CJI will get 2.8 lakh rupees. याद रखिएगा ये. Okay, so this is a recent changes, and this is one of the very important question to be asked in the CLAT exam. Moving further, question number 8. As per the recently launched All India Higher Education Survey by HRD Ministry, gross enrollment ratio GER in the higher education in India is, so that is at 25.2%, and it is going to grow in a big way. Remember, between 2005 to 2011-12, it remained very stable. There was a big jump, obviously not so great jump, okay, because considering so many years, 1950 से 2005 काफी 50 साल की बात है, ठीक है। पर अब ये जो जंप आ रहा है, दे आर वेरी मच कमेंडेबल। ओके, मूविंग फर्दर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ग्रॉस एनरोलमेंट रेशियो, अभी जो हमने बात करी थी उसमें द लोएस्ट ग्रॉस एनरोलमेंट रेशियो इज विद बिहार, which is at 14.4%, while the state which has highest GER, which is 46.9%, you have to tell the name of that particular state. The answer is Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu got the highest GER in the higher education. Coming to issue number 10, legendary astronaut and moonwalker John Young passed away recently, and he was associated with which of the following agency? The John Young was associated with NASA, and he you can say went to moon and he walked on moon. Coming to issue number 11, 75th annual Golden Globe Award were honored recently, and this annual awards are presented where? They are presented in United States of America. Golden Globe Awards, they are very important awards primarily for the movies. Coming to issue number 12, 3-day annual Flamingo Festival was held at which place? So this annual Flamingo Festival, and this is taken place at, you can say, Chilika Lake. Okay, flamingo, they come from, you can say, Siberia, okay, and they come here specifically during the winter season for the breeding purpose. Okay, question number 13, India completed 25 years of dialogue partnership with which organization? The answer is ASEAN. Okay, Association of Southeast Asian Countries, okay, and these are total 10 countries. One, we have Myanmar, Thailand, Laos PDR, Vietnam, Cambodia, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei, and Philippines. So remember this 10. ASEAN completed their 50 years. Okay, ठीक है, while India के साथ उनका जो मतलब डायलॉग पार्टनरशिप है, that went for 25 years. Coming to question number 14, which of the following company has got the broadcasting rights for 5 years from 2018 to 2022 under Khelo India School Game Program? Okay, obviously the name visible here called Star Sports. Till 2022, Star Sports will be the broadcaster for Khelo India School Games. Coming to question number 15, which of the following is incorrect when one looks at the Khelo India program? 1000 birding athletes will be selected for scholarship every year. Yes. Scholarship would be 5 lakh. Yes. The period is 8 years, and Khelo India is administered control Ministry of Finance. But this is a period for 8 years. That is 2022, and this is wrong. This is under Ministry of Sports. Okay. Coming to question number 16, government launched Nari, which was an app, and we just saw the full form of Nari. Nari means National Repository of Information for Women. For women, all information where the benefits given from the state government or the central government, सब information एक जगह पे उनको मिल जाएगी. Thereby they'll get to know what are the benefits they are going to get, and that is what Nari is. Coming to question number 17, which is Vidarbha won Ranji Trophy, and the gentleman seen here got hat-trick, and therefore he also got the man of the match. So who is this gentleman? This person's name is called Rajneesh Gurbani. He got hat-trick as well as he got man of the match award. Coming to issue number 18, famous Carnatic vocalist and former classical dancer Radha Vishwanathan passed away recently. She was adopted daughter of which of the following? She was the adopted daughter of Bharat Ratna MS Subbulakshmi. MS Subbulakshmi played on United Nations General Assembly as well. Okay, okay. So this is this year. I think more than 150 years has been passed. Okay, for MS Subbulakshmi. Moving further, question number 19. Name the state where first draft of National Register of Citizen was released. Okay, so it was Assam on 31st December. This is very important. Okay, Assam is the answer. They got a lot of trouble. Out of around 3.3 crore people who applied, only 1.9 crore people got their name but this is draft of draft, so no need to worry. One more draft is about to come. Coming to issue number 20, 2018 annual conference of DGPs and IGPs was held at Tekanpur. Name the state where this Tekanpur is situated. So Tekanpur is situated at Madhya Pradesh. Remember, DGP and IGP annual conference generally happening, which is on all India basis. Coming to question number 21, Bhima Koregaon dispute was, you can say, in the news. Bhima Koregaon, जहाँ पे दलित हर साल 1 जनवरी को मिलते हैं, इस बार भी वो वहां पे मिले तो दलित्स और मराठास के बीच में लड़ाइयाँ हो गई. Now this incident, है ना, ये इंसिडेंट किसके साथ कनेक्टेड है? दिस इंसिडेंट इज कनेक्टेड विथ थर्ड एंग्लो मराठा वॉर 1818 में. ठीक है, करीबन आज से 200 साल पहले थर्ड एंग्लो मराठा वॉर हुई, जहां पे दलित वर विद दिस ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, while the Marathas under Peshwas, they were fighting against this East India company. Okay, and therefore this, we can say, Dalits, they celebrate their victory every year on 1st January. Coming to question number 22, government came up with the National Medical Commission Bill. It replaces what? It replaces Medical Council of India. Medical Council of India is considered to be very corrupt organization, and a lot of changes are to be made. Supreme Court also suggested many changes to the Medical Council of India, and now a new bill is proposed which is heavily protested. Coming to question number 23, World Rapid Chess Championship title 2017 was won by an Indian called Vishwanathan Anand. I'm sure everyone must be knowing him, and this championship was held where? It was held at Riyadh. Okay, moving further, question number 24, Attorney General of India. Attorney General is the first law officer of Government of India. Okay, he is the first law officer, and he is appointed by none other than the President of our country. Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers will recommend his name. Appointment will come through President. Remember this. So this is a very important question. Coming to question number 25. India became Republic in the year 1950. 26th January 1950, India became Republic, which is representative of the public. Moving further, who among the following viceroy ruled for the longest period? For the longest period, who, you can say, ruled? It is Lord Linlithgow. So remember that. Okay, coming to question number 27, which of the following was the first newspaper published in India? First newspaper published in India was called Bengal Gazette. It was called as Bengal Gazette, and it was the first published newspaper of our country. Moving further, Vaishnava mystics and saints. The, you can say, people who follow Vaishnav cult, they are called Alvars. They are called Alvars. This kind of questions are asked in the CLAT exam. Okay, last year it was majorly current affair based, but उसके पहले काफी ज्यादा ऐसे सवाल आते थे. The only president to serve for 2 terms. Okay, someone who served for 2 terms was, you can say, this, you can say, N. Sanjeeva Reddy. That is the person who ruled, who served for 2 terms. Economic Survey of India. Okay, that is published by Ministry of Finance. Generally बजट के पहले, ओके, बजट के 1 या 2 दिन पहले, we have Economic Survey of India that is being published. Okay, remember that. Moving further, first Indian woman to reach Olympic finals in individual track event was, okay, in individual track event, the first woman to go to this level was, you can say, Shaini Abraham. Moving further, question number 33, which country is called Land of Midnight Sun? Land of Midnight Sun is called, you can say, Greenland. Okay, Land of Midnight Sun, where in the night you can see sun. That's how the idea is. Coming to question number 33, who among the following is associated with New Deal reforms? Okay, New Deal reforms. This is related to America. In America, new reforms were provided, and in that new reform, it was basically Franklin Roosevelt was known as this. The followers of Adolf Hitler were called as, the follower of Adolf Hitler are called red shirt. Coming to question number 35. In India, first hydroelectricity power station was started in 1897. Where was it? You can say started. It was started at Madhapuri. Okay, it was started at Madhapuri. Coming to question 36. Brass is an alloy of, अब AILET जैसी परीक्षा में ये AILET जैसी परीक्षा में आपको ये आता है. So brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. The alkaloid present in coffee is called caffeine. Okay, so that is called caffeine. That is why we get charged up by taking coffee. Coming to question number 38. Indian Prime Minister died at Tashkent, Russia. So who died there? It is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri, he died in Tashkent. Okay. Moving further, question number 39. In India, national income is computed by national income, which is given by GDP. GDP is computed by central statistical organizations in our country. And the last question, that is, channel separates Andaman Island from Nicobar Island is called. Okay, this is important to note, and this is called as, you can say, 10-degree channel. So with this, we close our discussion on question answer. We hope this is useful to you. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos, and share our videos. Thank you very much.